Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Eruvin Perek He Mishnah Gimel. We're in this Mishnah. We're continuing the last Mishnah, but we spoke about when you have two cities that are close enough to each other, right, where they're 141 and a third amot away from each other. Then we could consider them as one city, and you could count the whole tchum from around them both together. So now, similarly, if you have three villages, hamshulashim, in the shape of a triangle, right? So you can see the picture over here. You see there's two outer ones on the side. And again, you have 200 and, right? Over here, oh yeah, more than this. You have 141, right? And a third times two, right? So you have the same amount, but times two in between the two outer ones, right? Then, right, so it comes out to 238 minus a fifth. Right, so 237.8, right? That's about what it comes out to. If you have that amount in between the two outer cities, and you have a middle city in between it, right? So you see how it lines up right in between, right? Between the two external cities. Now, PS on condition that this city is less than 2,000 amot away from the other two. Right? Then, right, so right? If it's between the two outer ones, you have 141 and a third for each, right? So 141 and a third, 141 and a third, right? So between the two of them, right, you end up having 282 and right, 282 and 2/3. Then the middle one, right, that's below it, becomes part of the three, part of the group. It forms a triangle, and now this is a group of three cities, and we measure from outside all three cities. That is a very big kula, right? In the end of the day, now these two cities are 280 amot away from each other. 280 amot away from each other. Okay, we count them as one. And additionally, is the third city that's 2,000 amot away, but because it lines up in between, we also count it as part of the same city. And we review these three cities ultimately as one city to count 2,000 amot around the perimeter of all of them together.